Hey guys, just trying to catch up with you guys. See, I'm a corporate girly today. I got business to do, so I dressed all corporate today. Um, yeah, I haven't been on here in a few days. I've been very busy and was just trying to make time. I'm just now trying to make time to keep my videos going. Thank you guys for watching. You are all so supportive and I'm very, very happy for that. Very happy. I thank you so much. For a channel that I really only posted on probably about 6 weeks ago, that's pretty impressive. I know how hard it is to grow a YouTube channel. So just to see the actions that are taken, the subscribers, that I am very pleased. I don't need my channel to grow overnight. It looks suspicious when it does. So for what, 212 subscribers so far within the 6 weeks. No, that's pretty good. I like that a lot. So thanks a lot for watching. And some of you guys just keep coming back. That's impressive to me. That is really impressive. So what are we talking about today? What are we talking about today? Here's what I want to bring to you, and I'm gonna have an in-depth video on this in a few days. Before the year is over, start a YouTube channel. I've said this to you in several other videos. I said before the year is over, start a YouTube channel. Please. You know what I notice here, guys? Just being on camera with you guys. Sometimes it's best to use lighting when you put your makeup on. I think I'm going to go back and change this foundation on my face because it's a bit light. I don't like when my face is too light. No, you need to look like my neck. No, you look a little light. Now that I'm on camera and I'm saying this, yes. I don't need light skin like that. I'm not one of them Jamaicans who bleach. I'm not, listen, I'm calling that out because I know y'all like to say Jamaicans like to bleach their skin. Not this Jamaican. Not this one. Okay? Not this one. So just bear that in mind. So yeah, this makeup I need to go get a number 13 or so for. This one is definitely too light for my skin. I'm just a foundation girl, and just I have not done my eyebrows in over a year. Yeah, I have not done it in over a year. It needs to get done. Yeah, but I'm that kind of a plain Jane. The most I come up with is like, let me get some foundation on, let me put some lipstick on, let me do my eyebrows and call that a day. Yeah, but this makeup is too light for my skin. I don't like my skin light like that. Yeah. Yeah, but back to that. Start a YouTube channel. I'm not wasting time. I saw this guy on TikTok, Jamaican guy, and all he does is make up his wood fire outside on a coal, and then him have a coal stove, what we call coal stove in Jamaica, and him put on him black Dutch pot and him start to cook. And this boy is running to the bank. He's getting a lot of viewers. A lot of views. You know? And that's so smart because I find it to be so entertaining. Turn on your cameras, people. Turn them on. Show us what you're doing. Some people prefer to watch these things than just going on TV to watch a movie. Turn on your camera. It's much more authentic. It's more connectable. It's more you can connect to it more. People want to connect more. Not a made up scheme, a made up sketch for you to watch. Something real that someone is doing. And I was so proud of him. I think you guys should really start your channel this year. Start your channel. Start your YouTube channel. YouTube in particular. I don't care for Instagram. YouTube in particular. It's not YouTube, TikTok, or before they ban it. Yeah, start a YouTube channel. It's so into you can come out here and guarantee if you consistently post, people are going to watch you. People are definitely going to watch you. Start a YouTube channel. You know? Yeah. That's what I would do if I were you. Don't ask me where I came from. I'm a corporate girly now. Please. Side hustle is everything. Trust me on that. Stay focused, please. Stay focused. Today was a good day. Stay focused. So I don't know which one of you can send me a message in the comment section and let me know when you start that YouTube channel. I'll be the first to go subscribe at your channel. Please let me know. Create content, any kind of content. You'll find your niche along the way. Do some research. You know, it's so entertaining, it's so fun. You know, you can get a lot. Did I put gel in my hair? Oh yeah, this makeup is too light, much lighter than my skin. Yikes, I don't like it. Yeah, but I'm on here saying this. Yeah, I ramble a lot. People must like, this girl is crazy. Yeah. So yeah, no, I'll be the first to be your subscriber. Start a YouTube channel, please. Please, go start it and change your life financially. That is. Take your time though. You don't have to follow the crowd, rush to do anything. Take your time. Don't follow the crowd. Just stay in your own lane. You will go crazy and stressed out. Do your own thing. Your own thing. You don't have to follow nobody else. Let them stay in them lane. Or you stay in your lane. That's what I am doing. I don't care how much the other content creator is making over there. I'm not trying to be her. I'll watch and admire, but I won't try to be her. That's a form of jealousy. Don't let that come your way. Anytime you start following someone else, and I'm, getting all Jamaican here. When I get comfortable with you guys, it's all Jamaican. Anytime when I start follow somebody else, it's a form of jealousy. Admit it. It's a form of jealousy, and you start to copy the other person doing everything. No. Stay in your own lane. You can take advice. You can emulate. It's a difference. Go to that person. I saw you did that. That's so admirable. Do you mind if can you share some ideas with me? Because I'd like to have the same result. That's not jealousy. That's admiration for that person. So you're elevating them while you are telling them to their face. You're asking for help to their face and advice. That's not jealousy. I refuse. I have decided to follow what is godly in the sight of God. I'm human being. I'm not going to be perfect, but I'm going to try and do it as much as possible. I'm making that effort. The reason why I brought this up is because I just evoked jealousy. Yeah, jealousy, God don't like that. Don't follow nobody, do copy them, and you report them. cooking with Kaya, cooking with Kaya, and everybody, what? This girl gets so much hate, just like DoorDash had, and it was a form of jealousy. It was jealousy. Yeah, so, take out your camera, copy that. Take out your camera and do your own thing. And whoever you admire as a content creator, reach out to them, ask them for ideas, and trust me, you will not it's not jealousy. That's not jealousy. That's lifting them up while asking for advice, which is good. And that's how you succeed. To be frank, that's how you really really will succeed. You'll be admired for it, you know listen, I am getting off of here now, and I am going to um yeah, getting down. Well, lie down and sleep. Okay. I just wanted to stop by because I haven't put out any videos in a few days, but I'll be sure to do some tomorrow. Okay, guys, you have a good one. Bye bye.